If you're paying attention to XCN liquidation heat map, you would notice we have more liquidity to the upside than to the downside. As a matter of fact, we just tapped into the downside liquidity for XCN coin, for Onyxcoin. And if you're paying attention as well, the entire cryptocurrency market fear and greed index has returned to the 44 level, indicating fear after we briefly tap into the 49% level on our way to the grid zone. So we are now back, and if you're even checking the general market condition, you would notice we are currently in a bloodbath, in a pullback. XCN is down minus 12.3%, and AP is down minus 10%, ZBCN 6%, Jasmine 6%, Sand 8%, Wall 13%, Gala 12.6%. Like, the market is currently taking a hit as a result of this BTC sharp correction we had few hours ago. Now, I think this correction should be enough, and we should get a relief rally from here all the way to the $95,000 zone, $94,900 technically for BTC. So BTC is currently retesting the $92,800, $700 price zones, and I'm expecting to get a bounce from here to the upside. So if BTC is getting this bounce, then I think XCN is likely to get her own bounce as well, because XCN just tapped into the point of interest. If you're here to like this video, please smash the like button, destroy the like button, share this video with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Now, I'm expecting XCN to get a bounce from here because we just tapped into the point of interest. So I'm expecting a relief bounce for XCN to the upside very, very soon, because based on what the liquidation heat map is saying, we still have few liquidity to the upside that is yet to get mitigated. So we just mitigated the liquidity to the downside, although we haven't properly tapped all the liquidity. That is, I won't still be surprised if XCN drops slightly lower before finally reversing to the upside. And this is the daily time frame. Let's even break down to the 4-hour time frame real quick to get a picture of what is happening. If you're paying attention, the 4-hour time frame is currently retesting the point of interest we talked about on the daily time frame. The first time we retested it a couple of hours ago, we got a slight bounce to the upside. We are now currently retesting it. Now, I won't be surprised if we drop slightly lower into this point of interest before reversing to the upside, but this point of interest should hold. The point of interest is between 0.0071. In the long run, XCN can easily get to $1, considering the utility we are yet to roll out, the partnership, the advertisement and all that is still in the pipeline. If you're paying attention to the orders chart on the monthly time frame, the orders chart is still holding up well. There's no cause for alarm at all. As long as this orders chart continue to hold above this multi-year trend line, you understand, which is now acting as a support, multi-year support technically, we are good to go. There's no cause for alarm for Onyxcoin. Onyxcoin is good to go. But the moment this orders chart loses this multi-year support zone, flip the zone into a resistance, then it's going to be very, very disastrous for Onyxcoin, because Onyx is also part of the altcoins market cap we are looking at here. By the way, this is the orders chart against the BTC pair on the monthly time frame, and this chart is the ratio total crypto market cap excluding the top 10 to BTC market cap. So if anything happens to this orders chart, anything either positive or negative, it is definitely going to reflect on altcoins and also reflect on Onyxcoin. So that is just it. And if you're paying attention, the last time this orders chart bottomed in 2019, because it is obvious we are likely to follow the 2019 playbook. The last time the quantitative tightening came to an end was August 1st, 2019. And when it came to an end, it marked the bottom of the entire altcoin market and of the entire market in general. And after then, what happened? We rallied to the upside. Now, this rally wasn't just anyhow rally. It wasn't a small rally. It was monstrous, and a lot of meme coins and altcoins went parabolic when this rally happened. I think the same playbook is about to happen. History is about to repeat itself, which if that is happening, then we should expect the first price target to be around this zone, 0.22, for the orders against the BTC pair. And if that is happening, then Onyxcoin XCN can easily move. We are currently trading around 0.0072. We can easily move to 50 cent zone. 50 cent is very, very possible for Onyxcoin the moment this orders chart start making her move to the upside. I'm expecting a brief temporary short-term move for BTC. This is an obvious point of interest, so we just tapped into it. I'm expecting a brief move for BTC to the upside all the way to the $95,000 zone. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes.